Everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. On this video, I wanted to show you how you can start a online business for as little as $25. Right? There's so many programs out there promising you all these big results, but as soon as you join their team or even the program, they pretty much forget about you, right? But on this video, this is the fourth mini series that I'm doing. Right, so if this is your first time and if you wanting to start your own online business, what you need to do is I put out free content on my channel. Right, you don't have to pay for anything, and you don't have to pay. I know there's a lot of programs out there, and if you want to get knowledge from them, they pretty much charge you, but I give you free information here. Right, so if you're new to my channel, you're going to go on home page, and in here you're going to see my mini series like day 1, day 2, day 3. So this is where you're actually going to start with your training. And on this video, I wanted to show you step-by-step process of a complete beginner. Right, if you are new in the online space, if you want to make money online, right, I will walk you through step by step so you can actually follow me, and that way you can just start to earn income from your own online business. Right, so again, I'm talking about affiliate marketing business, right, which you can start for as little as $25, guys. And you can take this training and be earning that $100,000 from your own online business within the next 120 days. Right, I know there's a bold claim there, but there's I know there's a lot of programs out there that actually share with you that you're going to get success with your own online business, right? But like I shared to you before, if you take what I'm sharing with you, you're going to get results, right? So if you are actually watching this video, right, you're going to go beneath this video so you can see that exact business model I'm talking about. Right, so you're going to click beneath the video in the description section, and what you're going to do is just click on here, and it's going to take you to this page here. Right, so just enter your details here so that way you can get access to it, and then follow along with me so you don't miss any steps. So you're going to be putting your email address here. Right, I'm going to put my email address here. Right, so as soon as you put your email address, you're going to go on this page here, and in here you can see I share with you like what am I doing, my story, a little bit about my story. So you need to play this video, it's very important. So play this video, and then after that you're going to click on this button here, see, learn more, show me here. Right, once you click on that button, it will actually bring you to this page here. Right, so this is a all-in business model, right, all in one business model. Right, so in here you can see this is a recurring income business model. Right, every time you start a business, you start to earn that recurring commission month after month. Right, so comparing this to a high ticket affiliate marketing program, high ticket affiliate marketing, the issue with that is you're going to get sale today, but actually don't know if you're going to get sale next year or even tomorrow. You're not even certain like if you're going to get income coming in like next year or year after that. Right, so even if you have been in the company for a very long time, but with this you're going to be starting small, but it's once you have that snowball effect, it will be just growing massively. Right, so you can see here, this is a very important video you need to watch. Right, 28 minutes, and it shares with you like how there are people just like you are actually changing their life using the exact same system that you are actually seeing now. Right, so what it is, it's this company pays you 80% commission. Right, so 80% commission is very, very awesome, because you see there's a lot of companies out there which actually charge you a lot of money, and they don't give you that much commission out of that. Right, so which is very important if you want to get success online, especially this day and age. You're going to be needing step-by-step training, which is critical to your success, right? So this is the actual access that you're going to get. So once you have watched all the information in here, right, and you can see very easily commission paid until this day. This company started about 5 years ago, right? A legit company. The owners actually got sick and tired of the industry, and they went ahead and they created their own system, right? This is the actual system, and till this day they have paid out affiliates $3.7 million, guys. So and it's recurring income, recurring revenue that you're going to be earning day after day, month after month, right? So if you can just scroll down here, you'll see that just one sale per week can turn into $74,800 per year, right? That's only with one sale. Only one sale. I'm not talking about 10 sales, just one sale, right? Just 2 sales can make you 149,000. 3 sales, right? You can keep doing the numbers, right? Which is just awesome. So 3 sales, how possible is it to get to 3 sales, right? How many people are there actually in the world? A lot of people, right? So 3 sales is peanuts, right? You can get as many sales as you want, right? And we have step-by-step training in here which can actually guide you like how you can actually do that, right? So in here, once you scroll down, there's going to be a lot of information for you to read and check out. And if you go down all the way, you can see the owners. These are the 2 owners, very generous owners. And the thing that I love about it is, like, when you actually join a program, you cannot even speak to the owners. But these are seven figure earners, right? And they jump on the call every single day, right? 7 days a week, actually 5 days. And they do mastermind calls. So whatever things that's actually working, they share with the audience and share with us. And if you have any questions, you can ask on the call. So, which is, I really love it. Most of the time you cannot speak to the owners, right? So another thing that I really love is this company gives out, saves kids all around the world, like starving kids, and they donate food, which is just awesome, right? I really love that. So once you have gone through the information, there's going to be a lot of information, right? What you need to do is just click on yes, I want access, so you can get access to the training and the system. Right, so after that you just enter your details, your name. Make sure you're putting out all the correct details here, because the password and everything will be sent to you on your email, so that way you can get access to the system. Right, so once you have done that, you're going to go down, and you're going to also get a bonus, right? 100% free bonus, so you can start to see and get access to the whole training. So you're going to click on this button here, so you get free access to the training and the system. And what you're going to do is just click on complete access, right? So once you have done that, you're going to get access to this system, right? So here you can see we got 3 products here, so I'll share with you a bit more about it. Now this product is a funnel builder, right? It teaches you how to build your funnel website, and we got all these different things which ClickFunnels cannot do. This system, this funnel builder, will show you everything you need to do to be able to build up a funnel, right? I'm not a tech savvy person, but I can build my funnel going through this step-by-step training, right? So this product is $25, right? And it pays you 80% commission, which is you get paid $20 commission every time, right? Recurring month after month, right? Now this product is the one that I shared with you, is the bonus, right? This is a bonus product that you're gonna get for 2 weeks once you click on that button. But I highly recommend you to click on that button. Once you click on that button, it will come on here. This product you'll get access to. This is the traffic, Right? Traffic is the blood of the affiliate marketing business. If you don't know how to drive your traffic, you're going to be losing big time, because you need traffic. Traffic is the most important thing. And this shares with you training on different ways how you can drive traffic into your funnel. Right? Simple as that. So you got paid method here and you got free methods here, right? All these different methods, and we got mastermind calls every single day, 5 days a week. And if you click on this, in here, 7-figure earners actually come in here and share with you what's actually working, so you can play. Also, we got replays in here, so you can go back and watch, see what's actually working for so many people to get results, right? And so this product actually pays you 80% commission. This is $100, $125. You get $100 commission, right? So altogether for these two products, you're earning $125, right? But this is a high ticket product here, which I really love. This product, you buy it once and it is yours for life, right? So once you go ahead and do the checkout right in here, and you're going to complete order. Once you go ahead and do the checkout, you're going to get the system will take you to this financial academy. This one pays you $800 commission and $400 commission, right? Just awesome. I really love this. And once I got in, I saw the value of this product and I got this straight away, right? And it's awesome. And once you do the checkout, you'll see the bonus about this as well, right? This tells you how to actually reduce your taxes, and also shares with you different guerrilla money strategies, which I really, really love, right? Different ways how you can also earn income online, which I really love, right? So all these methods, all this training you can take and start to generate that additional stream of income, right? All of us, we need extra income this day and age, right? So if you're thinking about any other programs, forget about all these other programs, right? Because this one, you can learn the fundamentals of how you can start doing affiliate marketing the right way, right? So you can start small, and once you understand the concept in here, that's when you can jump onto doing high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So start small and then you can grow. Once you learn the fundamentals, you learn how to build up your funnel, you learn how to drive traffic, and you know how to also convert those traffic into sales. Very important thing here. All this training here, you can get access to this. Look at these guys. We also give you so much bonus in here. You get access to this AI tool, right? I really love this tool here. Very awesome. You can type, just say, this is similar to chatbot, ChatGPT, you probably know about it. But this one is mainly for content marketing, right? Content machine. Very, very awesome system, and pays you recurring commission. Just on my small account, I've earned already $5,000 from this system, right? All for free. I'm not doing any paid methods, right, at the moment. So you can take this training, and what I will do, I will also help you step by step. So if you need any guidance, you need support, I'll be here to guide and help you every single step of the way, right? So I'll leave all the details in the description section below, so you can check it out. Click on that link and follow the step. And also beneath that video, beneath this video, a link, I will put my Facebook profile. So any questions you have, you can reach out to me. I'm here to help, guide you, support you every single step of the way. I'll also set up the system for you, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can just start with the training, right? So again, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll leave all the resources beneath this video so you can go check it out. And I cannot wait to speak to you soon. Bye for now. My God bless you.